You're listening to Mentoring Developers.
I think the other thing as a business person, never learning how to code before and working with, a few different CTOs, right, and developers is I just wanted to do this for fun, right? Just learn how to code for fun. I thought, okay, it'll be a month thing and then I'll get over it. But once you understand what it means to code, what it means to be a developer, how developers think, like how they work, why they work the way they do, it's extremely eye-opening. And I tell all my business friends now, if you just spend a month learning how to code, your business skills are going to get better, and you're going to be able to work with developers much better than you already do. I'm sure as a developer, you yourself have worked with that, business person who wants to stack meetings upon meetings on you, or they interrupt you every 15 minutes, right?
Yeah, that's what people do.
Yep. And, I used to be that way too, but now that I know what it takes to build something, I have a completely different perspective, and I really respect, I respect the differences between business people and tech people much more.
That's good to know. Well, so anybody who's listening who is a business person and is looking to hire new developers, if you are listening, one advice from Tracy and myself is let developers be. Let them be. Because they need to get in the zone. They need uninterrupted time. So, you don't have a job as a software engineer. You do not plan on getting a job. Yet
That's
you
fair.
are spending hours and hours listening to videos and spending countless hours, really, that you could be doing other things. You could be working on activities that will make you money,
right,
doing networking and other sales marketing things. So I don't want to repeat this question over and over. I know I've asked this, but I really want to get to the bottom of this, because there could be other people like you, and I want them to be inspired. So I want to know, there's one thing to say, well, I don't make any money right now. I just want to learn the skill because it's fun and I enjoy it. That's good. But there should be an end game, right? In my mind, it's like, okay, I want to spend 20 hours a week doing something. After 1 year, I should get something out of it.
Right. Well, so for me, I get to be empowered. So I don't really have to sit there and wait for a developer to do something anymore, right? I can just, okay, for example, with Dishcrawl, my business, we send out this email newsletter, and it's still broken, but there's a button that says see detail. Okay. It should say see details, but we have so much on our, so much backlog of development stuff to do. We're just never getting to it. Right. And it's been bothering me for about 2 years now. Now it's one silly little small change. I can just, log into GitHub, create a branch, and somebody will merge it into master for me. Done. Right? Or, I started this new company, and my co-founder was working on the back-end stuff. And I really, as a business person, I just, I'm not useful unless I'm selling something, right? I'm just sitting there waiting for development. Now I basically just did the front end by myself, and I created a website or landing pages. Anything like that, I can do myself now. So it's extremely empowering, and it helps me in business.
That's amazing. That's incredible. So hats off to you, because it's exactly the right approach. You're fearless now, right? You have tamed this monster. And this thing that intimidates people. What is this program? What is this code thing? And what is GitHub? That's not the hard stuff. And at least the low-hanging fruit, you can start to do it. And even if you can't do it, you will probably be able to delegate it more intelligently now.
Exactly.
Thank you so much for listening.
For show notes and transcripts, visit us at mentoringdevelopers.com.